Look at the beautiful trombone squash trellis mixed with some morning glories. Look at that. See if we got any trombone squash in here. There's some. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. They're not small. They're a couple, about 18 inches, 2 feet, something like that. Look at this monster down here. Look at this monster. Holy mother. Look at that guy. Oh, he's heavy. And there's another one right next to him. And there's a couple more on the other side over there. Look at that. What is that? Within a 4-foot radius, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trombone squash. Nice. And then inside the garden, sweet potatoes, peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, another arch trellis, green beans. Yes, sir. And let's see if we can't get this other one on the other side of this cattle panel trellis here. That's a good 3 feet. Here is the sweet potato bed, and down in here, coming off the cattle panel trellis, down in here I believe there's another one. How am I going to get it? Let me see. Let's see if I can get over there. I got to step right there. Alright. Alright, I made it. Yep, I see him. Oh, yep, there he is. There he is. There's another one back there. And we got a couple more down here. These two on the cattle panel trellis are a little too small yet, so we're going to leave those. A little on the small side. Now outside the garden, along this fence, we have some trombone squash growing, as well as some butternut squash. I think we got a trombone squash in here somewhere. We got a bunch of small ones. There's one. Oh no, that's a butternut. There's some butternut up in there. There he is. He's a good size. Yeah, let's take him. Now there is a nice haul of trombone squash. I've got 11 pieces there. Nice.